Okay, let's look at how to solve some logarithm questions. Number one, say you are given log of the square root of 81 base 3. To go about solving this, you need to first of all find the square root of 81. Square root of 81 is 9 to base 3. So what you're going to do next is to transform 9 to have a similitude, to be similar to the base. So we transform 9 to 3 to the power of 2 base 3. Following the power rule, the power here 2 multiplies the log. So 2 multiplies log 3 base 3. Now log 3 base 3 is 1, and that makes your answer to be 2. The next one here is log 8 base 2 plus log 4 base 2. Now to solve this, also you are going to transform it to a number with an index. So this gives you log. So you transform based on the base you are given. I'm given base 2, so I'm going to transform it to 2 to the power of 3 base 2. So also I'll transform the number 4 to the power of 2 base 2. Now following the power rule, 3 multiplies log 2 base 2, and here 2, which is the power here, multiplies log 2 base 2. Now going forward, following the identity rule that states that when the number and the base are the same, it gives you 1 as your answer. So 3 times 1 is 3. So also 2 times 1 here is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. The next one says that I should simplify log 27 base 3 plus 2 log 9 base 3 minus log 9 base 3. Now the first thing you have to do here is to transform this one. Let the 2 multiplying this log here come here as the power. So log 27 base 3 plus, this gives you log 9 to the power of 2, going by the power rule, minus log 9 base 3. Now so you can combine all of these based on the product rule and the quotient rule. Product rule states that when you have these two logarithm, then it becomes log 27 times 9 to the power of 2, and when it's minus, you divide by 9. So simplifying this, you get log 27 times 81. 9 squares is 81 divided by 9. Now 9 divided by 9 is 1. 9 27 is 3. So log, your answer is log 3 times 81 to base 3. You can transform this to give log 3 times 3 to the power of 4. So you want to transform to this so that the number looks like the base as much as possible. So going by the law of indices that says when the numbers are the same, you can add up the powers as long as you are multiplying them. So this gives us log 3 to the power of 1 plus 4 base 3. That's log 3 to the power of 5 base 3. So going by the power rule, 5 multiplies, the power 5 here multiplies the log to give you 5 log 3 base 3. Now log 3 base 3 here is 1. Everything here is 1, going by the identity rule. So it leaves us with 5 as our answer. 5 is our answer. The next one is this. When you are given some, this is similar to what we just did. 5 comes here to become the power of 2, and you have this to be log 2 to the power of 5 plus log 40 minus log. Transform this one to a quotient. So 12.8 becomes 128 over 10. 2 to the power of 5 is 32 plus log 40 minus log 128 over 10. Now so going by the laws of the product rule and the quotient rule, 32 multiplies 40 and we divide by 128 over 10. So combining this, we get log 32 times 40, divide this by 128 over 10. So this gives us log 32 times 40 times, when we change division to times, you take the reciprocal of 128 over 10. That's 10 over 128. So let's divide. 2 in 40 is 20, 2 in 12 here is 6, 2 in 8 is 4. So 32 can go in 64, 32 here 1, 32 in 64 is 2. So also 2 can divide, 2 here 1, 2 in 20 here is 10. So we are left with log 10 times 10. Log 10 times 10 is log 100. Now whenever you are given a question in which you are not given any particular base, any visible base, it's automatically base 10. This question is in base 10. Transform 100 to look like the base. That will be 10 to the power of 2, base 10. 2 multiplies the log following the power rule. 2 multiplies log 10 base 10. Now since log 10 base 10 is 1, 1 multiplies 2 to give us 2.